Welcome back to Pookie Bear's Corner. Tonight we are going to make a one skillet meal. Very simple. Takes about, I'd say 10-20 minutes to cook. We're going to be using these Knorr Spanish rice packets. We're just going to dump them in the pan. Just like that. I'm using two, only because I'm feeding myself, my husband, and my son. But you can use just one. Alright. And we're just going to follow the directions on the pack. It says 2 cups of water per package, so we're going to put in 4 cups of water. I'm going to use hot water for this. Though my hot water is not very hot because I've been doing dishes. Alright. Into the pan it goes. Just like that. Then we're going to add a little bit of vegetable oil. You do not have to add the vegetable oil. Just a little bit. It says to use 2 tablespoons. I don't put that much in there. So we're going to give it some heat. We're going to put it on like a 4 or 5. We're going to stir it up. Now at this point you can add seasonings to it. I'm going to add a little bit of pepper. My pepper comes out very slowly. Add some pepper to it. We're going to give it another little mixy mix. Just like that. We're going to wait for it to come to a boil. Earlier today, I roasted up some chicken legs and deboned them. So we'll be throwing that in with it as well. Do you guys have any recipes that you do that are, quick, easy staples in your house? Let me know. My family is all about eating budget friendly, so to speak. We got these Knorr packets for 99 cents. From our local Myers. We tend to like them quite a bit. We figure out ways to make it in a meal. Not as a side, but as part of your meal. I do a lot of casseroles. I do a lot of crock pot meals with the Knorr brand. It's just a matter of taste. By all means, if you want to make your own Spanish rice, go for it. I'm not great at making Spanish rice, so I typically don't make it. But if it's something you and your family like, have fun with it. This is just one of those meals that Saturday evening. Didn't really want to have to cook a whole lot. So we're just kind of throwing something together for the night. Husband's not home tonight. He's out working. So it's just the son and I. And of course the fur babies. So we're just doing something real quick, real simple. To try and get something in our bellies that's warm. Because it is bitter cold outside today. Not as cold as it has been though. It has been very cold. It's been in the low teens here in the Midwest for the last week and a half. Makes it rough to go outside. I know my car does not want to start in this cold. I have a Chevy Cruze and she just struggles to start when it's this cold. So typically when it's this cold, I don't go out a whole lot unless I'm going out with my husband. He has a Toyota and that thing is amazing. It goes non-stop. I mean, he's had it for 2 years now. It's a Camry and he loves it. It's all-wheel drive, so in the snow he can get through just about anything. It's just a great car. Alright, this is starting to come up to a boil now. Not quite there yet, but it's getting there. And all we're going to do is we're going to take maybe half of this chicken. I don't even think I'll use half of it. We're just going to put it in here. That way it kind of absorbs the flavors from the rice. That should be enough. And I try to roast chicken up whenever I can find it on sale. This chicken that I found, that I did today, I found for 99 cents a pound, which is a great price here in my area. And we do eat quite a bit of chicken. I'm going to put this chicken back in the fridge. It's starting to come up to a boil. Once she comes up to a boil, we're going to put a lid on it. We're going to turn her down to a medium low. And we're going to let it cook for, 7 minutes or so. And I will show you what it looks like once that part is done. We'll talk to you in a little bit. Ta-ta for now. Alright guys, this has been cooking for 5 or 6 minutes now. Most of the water is evaporated off of it. So we are just going to give it a stir. And we are going to turn the heat off. And that is what she's looking like. We are going to get her dished up. And I will probably serve it with some homemade bread and butter And that's dinner tonight. Literally took maybe 10 minutes to cook. If you've already got the chicken, and by all means, if you've got a rotisserie chicken, you can use that. You can use hamburger meat. You can use pork. You can use any kind of protein you want in this meal. Chicken is just what I happen to have today. So, we will see y'all in the next one. If you like the video, leave me a comment down below. Hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. We'll talk at you in the next one. Ta-ta for now.